Welcome back here in this new video tutorial in Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn how to create a loan amortization table in Excel. To create a loan amortization table, here I have the loan information. The loan amount is 800,000. Interest rate per annum is 16% and the loan period is 5 years. Based on this loan information, we will create the loan amortization table. And to create the table, first of all you have to create these column headers, which are months, opening balance, EMI payment, that is the equated monthly installment payment, then interest payment, principal payment, and ending balance of the loan. Create these column headers. Then here, after creating column header, first of all create the months. That will be total 60 months for 5 year. So here put the months from 1 to 60. That you can do by the sequence function. Press equals, type the sequence function, double click, then in the rows type 60, close bracket, press enter. This will give you from 1 to 60 here. Now here in the opening balance of the loan we have to put this 800,000. So type here 800,000 rupees. Now in the EMI payment we have to use the payment function to calculate the equated monthly installment. Press equal to, then type PMT, payment function, open bracket. In the rate of the payment function we have to put the monthly rate. So divide this 16% by 12 here. Type 16% divided by 12. Then give a comma. This NPER means number of period. So we have to convert this year into months here. So type 5 multiplied with 12. Then give a comma. And this PV means the present value of the loan or the total value of the loan. That is 800,000 here in this example. So here type 800,000. Now close bracket, press enter. This will calculate the equated monthly installment or EMI in negative number, and by default it is given in the dollar format. If you want to keep the dollar format, then it is okay. If you want to change, you can change it from the formatting option here. And we have to also convert this negative number into positive number to create the loan amortization table. So here double click on the formula, and before this loan amount put the minus symbol. That will convert the value into positive. If you want to change the dollar format to the number format, simply click on the cell, then go here in the formatting option, then choose the number formatting. If you want to remove the digit after decimal, you can go here and remove the digit after decimal. And in the interest payment, the formula will be press equal to, click on the opening balance multiplied with, open a bracket, then type here yearly interest rate, that is 16% divided by 12, then close bracket. We have to convert this into month, so divided by 12 here. Now press enter. This calculates the interest payment. The next is the principal payment. So press equal to calculate principal payment, subtract the interest payment from EMI payment. Click on EMI payment minus interest payment. Press enter. Now here in the ending balance of the loan, the formula will be press equal to, click on the opening balance minus the principal payment. This will give the ending balance of the loan. Now press enter. So after writing this formula over here, in the second row or in the second month, link the ending balance of loan to the opening balance of loan by pressing equal to, then click on the ending balance of the loan. Now press enter. Now select these 4 cells, then drag these for the second row this way. Now select all the 5 columns data, then go here in the fill handle, then drag this till the last month, that is the 60 month. And here you see all the values are calculated. At the end of the period, the ending balance of the loan is given as 0. So the loan amortization table is now created. After creating this table, here just calculate the total EMI payment, total interest payment, and total principal payment by using the sum formula. Press equals sum open bracket, then select the data from the beginning till the end. Now this is the total EMI payment. Drag this formula for other sales. This is the total interest payment, and this is the total principal payment. And if you add the principal payment and interest payment, the total will be equal to the EMI payment, which is 1167,267. So this is the process of making the loan amortization table in Microsoft Excel. This much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more, you can visit the channel's video page where you can find the different video tutorials. And I also request you to subscribe the channel and also turn on all the notifications to get similar kind of video updates in future. Once again, thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.